Since I joined Veranda IAS, it's been a great experience for me. The last 7 months, I know where I started and I know where I am now. So it's only because of Veranda IAS. The mentors are here were very helpful for me throughout my preparation. From morning, we start with newspaper and end till the revision session. Through all the sessions, my mentors were with me. So it was very helpful throughout this journey. So the facilities provided here are from morning we have a playground where we do a regular morning workout session, and after that we have a study hall where we do all regular usual works like newspaper reading, study sessions and all other works. And we have a beautiful LBS hall where all the classrooms and the experienced faculties teach us all the subjects, and so these are the main facilities provided here. Then we have a canteen where we enjoy a coffee and snacks over here. My previous attempt which I gave was not such an experienced attempt, but after here, like, we know the key of the preparation, what to do and what not to do. This was the main key I have learned over here. Residential program. So the main benefit here is we will be avoiding of distractions. So the only focus over here is to study and study and study. That's it. That's the main focus over here. And there's also some extracurricular activities. We'll go outside for orientation programs and something like that. The personal mentor I have is Surya sir, and my academic mentor is Pathiban sir. Both were a great support. Like, whenever I needed them, they were always for me. They taught me how to study and what not to study. So the important part of the preparation is we should know what not to study. So my mentors were helpful in telling me what not to study and what how to study. And I've seen a progress in my journey, and definitely I'm going to see a bigger progress in my journey. So newspaper is the key part of the preparation because newspaper makes the preparation colorful, and there's a lot of information in newspaper, but the necessary part which should be known by aspirant can be learnt. So starting from the editorial sessions and what type of editorial should an aspirant know, everything was taught by my mentors to me on how to read a editorial and what notes to take from an editorial. So this was useful for my mains preparation as well as my prelims preparation. So the important part of the prelims is test series. So how to attend a question, how to analyze a question, and how to eliminate options. So practicing a lot much of questions gave me a confidence on attending how many questions should I attend, how to attend a question, which question not to attend. So we have a regular test series like before classes. After the classes we'll be having a test series. On the test series we'll be attending the questions with the subject which was taught yesterday. So it was very useful in my preparation. So the maximum number of questions we solve is equal to the maximum number of chances of clearing prelims.
Veranda IAS, where your dream becomes reality.